Video number 12. Legal implications with cryptocurrency. Along with the explosion of interest in digital currency and all its implications for both new and traditional businesses, there is a growing need for clarity regarding the legal implications of these new technologies and currencies. In this video, we'll explore some of the emerging legal implications associated with investing in cryptocurrencies. While digital currency might be easy to confuse for conventional electronic money, it is not the same. Similarly, it is unlike conventional cash currencies because it cannot be physically owned and transferred between parties. Much of the murkiness of the legal standing of digital currency is since the space has only recently become popular as compared with more traditional currency and payment systems. Cryptocurrencies as property. In the U.S., the IRS has defined cryptocurrencies as property rather than currencies. This means that individual investors are beholden to capital gains tax laws when it comes to reporting their cryptocurrency expenses and profits on their annual tax returns, regardless of where they purchase digital coins. Indeed, it remains unclear whether digital currency investors who have purchased their holding on foreign exchanges must face additional reporting measures come tax time. Decentralized status. Bitcoin, BTC, has paved the way for other cryptocurrencies in that it is decentralized, meaning that it has no physical presence and is not backed by a central authority. While governments around the world have stepped in to assert their regulatory power in various ways, BTC and other digital currencies like it remain unattached to any jurisdiction or institution. On one hand, this frees investors from being beholden to those institutions. On the other hand, however, this status could result in legal complications. Another potential risk associated with cryptocurrencies as a result of their decentralized status has to do with particulars of transactions. In most other transactions, currency with a physical presence changes hands. This does not apply to cryptocurrency transactions. Because of this fundamental difference, legal confusion between parties in various types of digital currency transactions is a real possibility. Once again, because of the decentralized state of these currencies, the path of legal recourse in these situations can be difficult to assess. Business registrations and licensing. As in other financial areas, businesses may eventually be required to register and obtain licensure for jurisdictions and activities. However, due to digital currencies, complex and evolving legal status, this area is significantly less clear for businesses operating in the crypto market. Companies that only accept cryptocurrencies, for example, may not need to register or obtain licenses at all. On the other hand, they may be required to submit to special considerations depending upon their jurisdiction. The onus of responsibility falls on business owners and managers to ensure that they follow proper legal procedures for their operations at both the local and state levels. Fraud and money laundering. There is a widespread belief that cryptocurrencies provide criminal organizations with a new means of committing fraud, money laundering, and a host of other financial crimes. Investors who find themselves in the unfortunate position of being a victim of financial crime do not likely have the same legal options as traditional victims of fraud. When a cryptocurrency exchange is hacked and customers' holdings are stolen, for instance, there is frequently no standard practice for recovering the missing funds. It is for this reason that developers and startups related to digital currency have focused such a great deal of attention on creating secure means of holding digital coins and tokens. Still, while new types of wallets are being released all the time, and while cryptocurrency exchanges are always improving their security measures, investors have so far not been able to fully eliminate the legal risks associated with owning cryptocurrencies, and it's likely that they never will. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.